choosing the right roof doesn't have to be overwhelming for you. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to match your roof type to your home, your climate, and your budget, so you can make the best decision possible with zero regrets. At William Penn Roofing, I've helped countless homeowners from costly mistakes and helped them to find the perfect roof. This isn't just another generic guide. You'll get real answers tailored to your home and your long-term goals. Let's get started. What factors help determine the best roof type for your home? The right roof depends on a few key things. First, your local climate. You get snow, hurricanes, high heat, heavy rain, hail, wind. Next, your home's architecture. Some roof types just actually work better on certain styles of homes. Next, we're going to consider the slope and shape of your roof. Not every roofing material works on a flat or steep surface. You're definitely going to want to think about your budget and your long-term costs. Some roofs are cheaper upfront, but over time, they cost a lot more to maintain or they just don't last. And also, you can't forget about local building codes or HOA rules. They can affect your options dramatically. What are the most common roof types and when are they best? First, we have what they call a gable. They're simple and cost-effective and great for rain or snow drainage. They're perfect for traditional, but not ideal in high-wind areas. Gable roofs pair well with asphalt shingles, wood shakes, or even a metal roof. Next, we have what they call a hip roof. Hip roofs slope on all four sides. This actually makes them extra stable in hurricane zones. They also provide natural shade and look great with shingles, tile, or metal. Next up is the gambrel roof. Gambrel roofs have that farmhouse or barn style look, and they offer tons of attic space. They're not great in heavy snow unless they're reinforced. These work well with metal, wood, or asphalt. The next roof we can talk about is the Mansard roof. These are elegant French style roofs that maximize your living space. They're very low maintenance and can handle water very well. Mansard roofs are very versatile and they're great with cedar, slate, or metal. And the last type of roof is a flat roof. These roofs suit mid-century modern style homes and also commercial buildings. They can even be used as decks. They require strong waterproofing and they work best with fiberglass, TPO, or EPDM. Which roofing material is best for your needs? Let's break it down. These are asphalt shingles and they come in a variety of different styles and shapes. This is the most affordable scenario most of the time. They come in a lot of different styles and they typically last for decades. This is a metal roofing panel. These are great for harsh weather and have a long lifespan. They can last up to 70 years. There's a variety of the colors you can choose from. We'll come out and we'll show you all of the different colors you can choose from and match them to your home. When having a metal roof installed, it's also a good idea to have some snow guards put up to stop the snow from sheeting off the roof. Many different styles and colors you can choose from. This is a slate roof. This is a slate tile. This looks really beautiful on a roof. Very durable, and it's actual stone, but it can be a bit expensive. But on the plus side, it can actually last up to 100 years. Another type of roofing material is clay or concrete tile. This is perfect for hot climates. It's very heavy and has a very long lifespan. Next on the list is synthetic or composite type of material. This looks like slate, but it comes at a lower cost, and it's relatively low maintenance. These are wood shakes. What's interesting about these is they're actually a natural material, just like the stone, but unfortunately they do have a shorter lifespan than the slate, but they're really a beautiful option if you're looking for rustic charm. So Walden Cedar is the premier line. Walden will make different thicknesses, different styles, whether it be royals, taper sans, heavy hand splits. It all depends on the style of your home. The last type of roofing material we're going to talk about is TPO, EPDM, and mod bit. This is the TPO. Generally, a lot of people get it in white. It does come in a variety of colors. These type of materials are best for flat roofs and they're welded together. They're pretty affordable, but the lifespan, however, can vary. This is EPDM. This is found on a lot of hospitals, schools, and libraries, and in some rare instances on your home. Before we put EPDM down or TPO, we must put an insulating barrier between the plywood roof, which is the substrate, and the roofing membrane itself. This paper face insulation goes onto the roof and is screwed to it. And then we take bonding adhesive and actually glue this to the roof. What roofing type fits your home's style? Matching your roof to your house style can make a huge difference. But have us come out and we'll evaluate your home and help you decide what type of roofing style to put on your home. What roof type works best in your region? Where you live matters. Here are a few examples. In the Northeast, there could potentially be lots of snow. A steep roof made of asphalt, metal, or even cedar might be best. In the Southeast, you may very well be in a hurricane zone. I'd go with a hip roof made of either asphalt or metal. In the Southwest, there could be extreme heat. White tile or flat roofs work well here. In the Pacific Northwest, there's actually heavy rain. Gable roofs with asphalt or composite will probably be your best bet. And in the Midwest, there's a bit of everything. Asphalt, metal, and Gambrel roofs all work very good here. How do I choose the right roof for my home? At the end of the day, it all comes down to your goals, budget, lifestyle, and what your wife tells you to get. If you're still not sure, here's what to do. You can actually go on our website and view the roof visualizer tool to see what the actual roof will look like on your home. Get in touch with us. We'll come out. We'll give you a comprehensive roof evaluation where we just not look at the chimney, the roof, and the gutters and help you decide the next best step for your project. And make sure you compare warranties, lifespan, and maintenance requirements. If you need more help comparing the different styles of roof, check out my full roofing playlist.